Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Game again, bringing another Chaos Zero Nightmare content. In this video, we're just gonna be talking about stuff. So if you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing. So I got not really I got baited, but like I do really like the animation of Rita and the gameplay. But the thing is, like, always remember, guys, if you're playing these kinds of games, and especially if the resources, you have very scarce resources on your disposal, if you're free to play, I do suggest choosing what's the best team for your gameplay. Like for example, I still do love playing Yugo. Still love playing Yugo because I want it like an active, ongoing kind of thing. So I like Yugo, Teresa, and Mika. So I like their combination wherein like they're usually attacking multiple times. I like the combination of Magna and Nine. I like the Chizuru and Serenial combo. That what I like. And Typheria 9 and Magna. And then the Rita kind of like it bogs down in a way. Like I know there's like, if you really understand the mechanic of herself there, it's really good. But like again, autoing with Rita, I feel, in my opinion, it's not that good on her auto skill. Okay, because sometimes you just need to like close your like just to like, just don't think and then just like do auto sometimes, but like if you're doing in chaos, then it's fine. But like again, I do like game style which is like it's active. My hands changes quite significantly and it's fast. I know Rita has that one as well, but like I do like lots of action going on. And Serenial does that for me. Hugo does that for me. Nine does that for me. Narja, Chizuru does that for me, and the likes. Which is, I'm really really appreciative. So that's why, please, before you pull, I do suggest to choose your game style, okay? And also very important currently right now, that's why I'm just pivoting on that. Diana is currently the character that we have, and I really like her playstyle because she has this playstyle wherein she discards the card. So when you discard her card, she uses it instead of spending the AP, because we only have like 3 APs, and she has this like capability wherein if you discard it in your hand, you will activate those capabilities. So I'm just telling you that, guys, the gist of her ability. That's why Luke is there as well, but like preferably you would have a team of I'm really like contemplating on having Nia and Renoa. Ria and Renoa, because again with your Renoa, you have this ability wherein um discard up to 2 cards from the hand, create Dirge Bullet from each. So you discard the card of Diana, and then you will have Dirge Bullet from that part, which is really good. And also, what else would that be? Uh, Discard all Dirge Bullet. So discards the Dirge Bullet on her side, and she gets damage on that. So there's like a very good synergy with this, and also Nia with her Adagio. So there's Adagio, draw one, discard one, and then there's an Epiphany wherein um, draw two, discard two, or draw one, discard up to 1 card. If a card was discarded, create one Adagio. So like she can discard one. Like you can have multiple copies of this to get more rounds on the drawing phase, discarding phase. I play Magic the Gathering. I like discarder decks and all on the enemy, not on myself. But like this one discards yourself in a way which I do really like. That's why it's depending on you. Would you pull for her? There was a teaser trailer. I think there's like Tenebria would be like it's just like in Star Savior, they are having a collaboration with Counterside because that's their other game. This one looks like there's gonna be an Epic 7 collaboration. There's already Kayron here. I looked at the 25 seconds, like they're telling it's gonna be Tenebria, but like again, looking at Diana, so agent info, Diana has this capability of again draw one. She's just leaning onto this Quietus card. Whenever this card is discarded, activate this card. So draw one, Quietus card, discard two. Though, like I'm not gonna be talking about all of like the quintessential things on her, but like that's her main mechanic. Wherein she discards cards, you get the Quietus card. So Quietus, when the card is discarded, activate this card. So again, when you discard this, you're gonna activate it. It's 0 cost, so you'll be able to use this Heartbreaker. Okay, into it's almost like Serenial in a way, but like Serenial has this like zero cost cards as well. Maybe I might do Serenial herself and Rinoa. Maybe we'll see. We'll see if it gets really crazy. And then where is this? Draw two X cross bullet cards, decrease damage amount. So draw two Quietus card. There's also an Epiphany we're in. Discard up to three bullet cards in hand. So discard all bullet cards in hand. So you have lots of like things to consider here. But like again, if you want a discarder type kind of like a mechanic wherein you just discard, like you want to see action with your card going in and out. I like my 9 and Typheria and Magna one. Like I'm really happy with that kind of my combination on my side. So yeah, if you really want to pull for her, go ahead and pull. For me, I'm gonna be pulling for her because of her capability, and I like the playstyle. Like I pulled for Rita, but like I'm not really enjoying her mechanic in my opinion. That's just me, okay? That's just my preference. This one, on the other hand, is really exciting. Yugo, I still use Yugo. I still use Serenial because they're like exciting to play. Again, in this game, you can choose your battles and you can tweak whatever like decks that you want or what characters you want. There's no the good thing about this is like I feel like in a way there's no meta whatever you want to use, but like usually when they're introducing new banners or new content, usually the character itself is the main quintessential characters that you use, but still you don't really you can still use other characters other than the featured character in the roster. So if you really want to pull for Diana, go ahead. If you want to pull for the card, again, we'll talk about that one later on, and we're talking about like if you want to pull for Diana, like if you don't have resources, I have 56k. I will be pulling for her cards. I'm not quite sure. We'll see. But we will see. We will see with regards to that one. So hopefully you guys like this video, like and subscribe again. This 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.